Right, mashallah. Let's go to our fifth and final point of advice, which is stay healthy, fit, and happy. Now, I said this in the beginning that when you're staying at home for so long, you can end up having bad habits of eating, lack of exercise, generally speaking, spending too much time on the couch, perhaps. And so it's very important that we think about our diet, we think about exercise, we think about how to keep this body fit and healthy. And in these times, we know that having a working immune system that is at its maximum is of huge benefit. So what should we do? Well, the first practical piece of advice I'll give you, my brothers and sisters, is to think about eating healthy. And eating healthy for some people means eating less than they are normally accustomed to. And one of the advices that health practitioners often give is when you're eating and you get to the bite where you eat and you're like, okay, I'm full now. At that point, usually people eat 2 or 3 bites more just because of, well, greed, because of indulgence. If you were to just cut down those 2 or 3 bites and to stop where you feel like, you know what, I'm actually comfortably full, you would end up losing weight. You would end up actually reducing the amount of calories that you're taking every day, and that would have a beneficial impact. So that's very simple. It's not about introducing new foods or cutting out different foods. It's just about eating just a little bit less. However, what is better than that is to have a good portion of fruit and vegetable every single day. So plan out the day, especially with the children, have them on good diet with portions of fruit and vegetable given throughout the day. And this is one practical tip. Another practical tip is to exercise. As a family, you could do this, or in groups or individually at home, is to download an app which helps you exercise or watch